FIS was awarded the job to refurbish an existing air preheater system by refinery in the Gulf Coast region. A refinery in Gulf Coast area had a common APH system providing combustion air to two vertical cylindrical heaters, 37 and 20 MMBTU per hour heat duties. The existing air preheater system consisted of a rotary Ljeström APH, 1 FD, and 1 ID fan. The APH system had been out of service for few years. The ductwork was corroded. The client wanted to increase the process heat duties without increasing the heater firing rates. As a result, it was decided to install new air preheater system. FIS won the competitive bid to supply and install the air preheater system. FIS scope of service included engineering, procurement, fabrication, supply, and installation of the new air preheater system. The existing hot flue gas ducting and stack were reused in the revamp work. The existing rotary APH system was replaced by a plate-type air preheater. The plate-type APH had glass coating provided on the cold block to provide better resistance to acid dew point corrosion. One of the salient features of the installation was that the APH was installed at 10-degree inclination to the grade level to help drain any corrosive condensates from the air preheater. Plan and elevation views of project. Detailed simulation study done to get best results. Perforated plate and guide vanes used to improve uniformity and distribution of air. The APH system scope of supply included the following items. New plate-type air preheater, installed at 10-degree to grade. New FD fan with suction stack, silencer and inlet damper. New ID fan with a discharge damper. Hot flue gas duct from stack to the APH inlet. Duct expansion joints. ID fan discharge duct and support steel. ID fan suction duct. FD fan discharge duct. Combustion air ducts from the APH to the two heaters. Fresh air doors. Combustion air bypass duct. Access platforms. Hot flue gas to heater H1. Based on thorough field survey and well-planned execution, FIS was able to install the new air preheater system in the existing plot plan. The APH site installation work was planned in such a manner that there was no production loss. The heater operation continued without any interruption during the site installation work, saving millions of dollars for the client. Thanks. Please visit us at heatflux.com.